Sweta madam going to continue our lesson. Is matter pure? What is our lesson? Is matter pure? So here what we discussed in our lesson up to now, we discussed about solute. We discussed about solution. What we discussed? We discussed about solution. And still what else about solution we discussed? That solution means what we discussed, solute plus solvent. Solution means solute plus solvent. I mean solute when we are mixing with the solvent, that we are saying it as a solution. Solute plus solvent gives us a solution. And those two, that the solutions also, we came to know that how many types? Homogeneous and also heterogeneous. Two types of solutions we have seen. Homogeneous solution, heterogeneous solution. What? Homogeneous solution and heterogeneous solution. Homogeneous solution means what? Top to bottom it have same structure. I mean not structure, components present in that. Top to bottom in that solution. Top to bottom if you find same amount of components, we will say that as a what? Homogeneous solution. Heterogeneous, uneven components. Example, fruit solid acid. Top to bottom, uneven distribution of the component, will say it as a heterogeneous mixture, heterogeneous solution. Heterogeneous, homogeneous and heterogeneous. What homogeneous solutions we have, heterogeneous solutions we have. So here coming to the point, here homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures, in that in homogeneous what we came to know, all the components top to bottom same amount of components there in the mixture means we will say that homogeneous. Uneven means heterogeneous. So now here we are going to learn about the suspensions and colloids. Suspension mixtures and suspensions. Here we are going to learn about the suspensions. Suspensions and again colloidal. Here this is important. Colloidal. Colloidal solutions and suspension solutions. We are going to learn about the suspension solution and colloidal solution. We are going to learn about the suspension solution and the colloidal solution. So then what? Here, what is that suspension solution? This colloidal. Say colloidal. One more word, suspension. Suspension solution, colloidal solution. Suspension solution. For that purpose, we have to take in a glass, visible glass, test tube or a beaker. You take. Take a beaker, fill it with the water. What we are taking here? We are taking in the here we are taking a beaker. In this beaker, take a beaker, fill it with the water. 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 Then, what to do here? Fill it with the water. Add chalk piece powder. Chalk powder. Chalk piece powder, not chalk powder. This one only, which I am writing. Chalk powder into that water. In a beaker, we have taken water. We have taken water. We fill it with the water. And what else? We filled it with the water. and added chalk powder to that. Added chalk powder to that. Fill it with the water. Added chalk powder to that. Stir it. What to do? Stir it. Kalpandi. Which one? That chalk powder. We are mixing with the water. When you are stirring it, chalk powder will not mix completely. Chalk powder, it is visible. Chalk powder, when you are mixing to the water, you are finding with our naked eye, means normal eye. Here, without using any instrument, that you are able to see clearly that chalk powder is visible in the water. Visible. It did not mix totally with the water. Chalk powder, it is visible, uneven. Somewhere mixed, little bit mixed. Somewhere chalk powder you are finding easily. Uneven now. This actually is it a solution or not? In solution and first. Yes, because why? Solute plus solvent gives a solution. What is the solute here? Chalk powder. Solvent what? Water. Chalk powder and water. Chalk powder and water. So, solute plus solvent gives a solution. Chalk is a solution. Chalk is mixing with the water. Chalk powder is mixing with the water, but not even, uneven. So, this mixture we can say it as a heterogeneous. What is this? We will say that heterogeneous mixture or not? Top to bottom you are not finding similar. I mean same. Top to bottom you are not finding same. Uneven. You are finding uneven distribution of the chalk powder. So that mixture will say as a heterogeneous mixture, and this suspense. So whatever solids here heterogeneous mixture, whatever solid we added to the liquid, it is not getting mixed completely. That solution will say it as a suspension solution. What is that? Suspension solution. Suspension solution. The solid when you are adding to the water, solid when you are adding to the liquid, if it is getting dissolved completely, it will get dissolved. That is homogeneous. Top to bottom same you will find it. But here, this the solid whatever we are adding is not getting melted completely. Is it getting melted completely? No. Uneven. So this heterogeneous mixture, in this heterogeneous mixture, what is that? When we are adding solid to the liquid, it is not getting melted completely. This solution is called as a suspension solution. What? Suspension solution. Suspension solution. So now this here we are having we are going to learn about colloidal solutions and colloidal solution. See this colloidal solution. We discussed that heterogeneous solution they are allowing light to pass easily. Scattering and word. Scattering and easily spreading out. So in heterogeneous particles tight particles somewhere more somewhere less we are finding. So gap will be there. Only same under. So gap under. But light is gap outside. Which one? In heterogeneous. So here, for example, so colloidal solution. Colloidal solution. Colloidal solution is also a heterogeneous solution. Mixture. Suspension solution, what I said? Heterogeneous mixture. This is also a heterogeneous mixture. This is also heterogeneous mixture, but this allows light to pass easily. Light scatters easily. Light scatters easily. In the colloidal solution, in the suspension solution, the light easily scatter kaadu, easily spread kaadu. దీంట్లో colloidal solution లో light ఈజీగా scatter అవుతుంది, spread అవుతుంది. Light ఈజీగా spread అవుతుంది. and both of them are which one solution, suspension solution and suspension solution and colloidal solutions, both of them are what type of solutions? Heterogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures. Following the difference ఏంటి? ఇది light easily scatter కానివ్వదు suspension solution. This allows the light to pass easily. Scattering is possible. And now here in colloidal solutions, it consists of at least two phases. It is important. It is containing phases. It is consisting two phases. Which one? Colloidal solution is consisting two phases. What are two phases? Here I am writing disperse phase. Disperse phase. And second one, disperse medium. Disperse phase and disperse medium. Disperse phase and disperse medium. Which one? Colloidal solution is containing two phases. Two phases. First one is disperse phase. The other one is disperse medium. Disperse phase and disperse medium. Dispersion. Here. Sorry. Here. Dispersion medium. Disperse phase. Dispersion medium. Two phases. Which one? Colloidal solution. Colloidal solution containing two phases. Disperse phase. Another is dispersion medium. Here, coming to this contains this disperse phase contains the small particles. Which mixture? They know actually a type of mixtures. Then heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixture and particles tondaraga mix kavama. Solids are not getting mixed easily. Solids are not completely mixing with the liquids. So this disperse phase in that the particles are present. They are not getting mixed. It is containing a small units. I mean small particles. It is containing very small particles of size they give. One nm. Nm అంటే name. Nm means name. No. Nanometer, small unit, nanometer. 1 nanometer to 10 nanometer, nm. So here this dispersed phase, phase on danto particles very small in size and in dispersion medium in which the colloidal particles dispersed. So these particles easily spread అయిపోయింటాయి. Particles, chalk piece we are mixing but not completely mixing. Some amount of chalk is mixed with the water. That one. The particles in that are dispersed easily. In dispersion medium, the particles are getting dispersed. Dispersed and after prayer we will say disperse. Disperse means what? Go to your places, moving on your path, on your way. The particles in dispersion medium are moving, they are getting dispersed. They are getting dispersed in dispersion medium. And these two phases can be of solid, liquid or gases. They may be of any state form. In medium area, this medium. In this particles are getting dispersed easily. So this medium may be solid, liquid or gas. It may be of any phase, any state. Solid, liquid or gas, or it may be of any phase. Following here. Now, particles in a colloidal solution can easily scatter a beam of visible light. So this is scattering of a beam of light is called as the Tyndall effect. So here about colloidal solution, what I said is the light is getting scattered easily. I said. In colloidal solution, what we are saying, light gets scattered easily. This is the phenomena of scatter. A process. ఏదైతే స్కాటర్ అవుతుందో ఈజీగా స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతుందో లైట్ దాన్ని అమ్మ Tyndall effect. What is that? The scattering of the light. The scattering, this effect, the scattering of the light in this colloidal solution, we say as a Tyndall, we can say Tyndall effect. What was said as a Tyndall effect, Tyndall effect. The scattering of the light, the process of scattering of light in colloidal solution, we say it as a Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. What is that? Tyndall effect. We came to know about the suspension solution, colloidal solution, and in colloidal solution we just now we have seen about the Tyndall effect. Now see here, this one, this is scattering of light. You just see early morning. See, just when you just morning before waking up, from your windows, suppose a small opening there to your window, you can observe that the sunlight is coming, the rays of sun rays are passing into the room. You will find out what you are finding, sun rays are entering into the room, and see you, it is visible. Rays you are finding some dust particles. Is it or not? Dust particles light it is visible. What is that? The light is getting scattered. That's a medium. The light is easily spread out. And particles what is that? We can say? Mixture, what we can say? Colloidal solution and heterogeneous mixture we can say. Homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture we came to know, and saying the in our dense forest and large amount of trees that you are finding. And here we are having separating of the components. We are having different. Now in the next topic, we are going to separate the components from the mixtures. We are going to separate the components from the mixture. For example, that methods. What are the methods? Already we have learned in previous classes. Distillation process, distillation, filtration, sedimentation, decantation. This process you learned already. We already test distillation process. In our class, what we are going to learn? Here I am writing distillation. We are going to learn in our class. I am saying that methods, different methods we are having. But in our class, we are going to learn about distillation, sublimation, filtration, chromatography, So these are different methods for different mixtures. For separation of components from mixtures, we are going with different methods. Solid from solid, liquid from liquid, solid from liquid from solid. Like this is different. Solid only, suppose solid tea powder in tea, solid liquid, separation. A method is filtration. Like that, for a different states or different component separation, we are using different methods. Following what I am saying, all of you are following me. I hope that. Thank you. We are going to continue the topic in next class. Thank you.